Hey everybody, and hope you're all doing well and your family's doing well. So here we go with our first week of online learning. I guess the first thing to do is just talk about AP testing, which I'm sure most of you have heard is highly modified for this year. So on Schoology, I'm going to have a folder each week, which will have everything you need for that week. And you will see in here a link to AP testing updates. And the big thing is it is going to be completed at home. That's only 45 minutes. There are two questions, the first of which is going to be, I believe, 25 minutes, and then you'll have 5 minutes to upload. So the understanding is you're either going to be able to work it on paper and take a picture and upload it, or they're going to have the ability to do type things in. They're going to send out some more information about that, what it's going to look like here before the test. So yeah, first question, 25 minutes, upload, then question 2 is 15 minutes, and then they'll upload items. And that test is May 12th at noon. Okay, those two questions. And so this page you can look through. It's a lot of information about taking the exam and the schedule for the exam. The other thing to note is that because of the abbreviated year, the topics, there will not be all of the topics covered. And for BC Calc, that means all of Unit 9, which dealt with parametric equations and vectors and so forth. None of that will be on there. And then only particular sections of Unit 10, your favorite one about infinite series and sequences. So let's go back here and take a look at the agenda. And essentially what I'm going to do is I'm going to utilize AP is creating videos for the different topics. And so there's a link in here to the AP videos, and come back to those. And they're posted, and the ones we're going to focus on this week are ones about 10.1, sections 10.1, 10.7, and 10.5. Okay, so this will take you here. You'll notice they started off with a few on Unit 9, but we're going to focus on here on AP Calc on the Unit 10 items. And so this first week, you'll see the videos. There are warm-up problems in the videos. There are questions they give at the end of the videos. So I'd like you to work both of those. And then also on AP Classroom, you'll see the link. I am posting questions related to each of those sections. And so again, it's just like the other assignments you've done. You work through focusing on the ones that cause you trouble, okay? And that's what I want you to be working on, and then I can just watch your progress on here and see which ones you've done and so forth, okay? So this gets you here. This is all, of course, what it looks like for me, but you'll work those, and then that's what I'll use for grading, are those assignments in Classroom, all right? And so communication, again, message me on Schoology. I also have set up a discussion. I'll do this each week where you can just post anything about, questions about the particular assignment or anything about remote learning or really anything else. If you have questions about it, tests and so forth. And the other thing is I'll be doing office hours. Let me bring those up. So office hours is where you'll be using Google Meet. And you'll see I have those Tuesdays 9 to 10 and 1 to 2, and then the same times again on Thursday. You simply click on this link and I will be online and you'll join the meeting. Okay, and then I can answer any questions and so forth. So let me take a look and make sure I've talked about what's going to be on there. Yep, talked about all of those, office hours, Schoology. Yeah, oh, and also any missing work. You can submit it, but please, again, just message me when you submit it so that I know that you have. Other than that, I think the big thing was how they're changing the test, what it's going to look like, and then we're going to see how this works out this first week. So again, any questions, message me, use a discussion board, anything like that. And I will be talking with you all later in the week.